Hello and welcome to our video on the motivation habits, how to make a motivation a part of your daily routine. Motivation is key to achieving success, and incorporating it into your daily routine can be the difference between success and failure. In this video, we will discuss how to make motivations a part of your daily routine and provide an example of celebrity who has mastered these habits. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you're new to this channel, please hit subscribe button and bell button so you don't miss out our next interesting videos. Understanding the importance of motivations. Motivation is the driving force behind success. It is the key to achieving your goals and pushing yourself to be the best version of yourself. Without motivations, it's easy to lose focus and give up on your dreams. Therefore, it's essential to understand the importance of motivations and incorporate it into your daily routine. Making motivation a part of your daily routine. The best way to make motivation a part of your daily routine is to create a plan that works for you. Start by setting achievable goals and creating a schedule that allows you to work towards those goals. This can include waking early, setting aside time for exercise, and creating to-do lists for the day. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can develop a strong motivation habit that will help you to achieve success. Example of celebrity who has mastered the motivation habits. Number 1 is Denzel Washington. Denzel Washington is a prime example of celebrity who has mastered the motivation habits. He is known for his disciplined lifestyle, which include waking up early and starting his day with a workout. He also set aside time for meditation and prayer, which help him stay focused and motivated throughout the day. In addition, he is known for his intense preparation for his movie roles, which require a strong work ethic and a high level of motivations. By incorporating these habits into his daily routine, Denzel has been able to achieve incredible success in his career. Denzel Washington is considered a role model for many because of his discipline and consistent approach towards life. He starts his day early and works out regularly, which is a great way to kickstart the day with a positive and energy mindset. By prioritizing exercise, he ensures that his body and mind are in the best shape possible, which help him tackle the challenge of the day with more ease. Another habit that has helped Denzel Washington achieve success is meditation and prayer. This practice helps him stay focused, centered, and motivated throughout the day, despite any distraction or obstacle that may have come his way. This mental training also helps him remain calm and composed in high-pressure situations, such as during movie shooting or interview. Denzel Washington is also known for his intense preparation for his movie roles. He spent a significant amount of time researching, studying, and practicing the character he is portraying. This level of dedication requires a strong work ethic and high level of motivations, which he has developed by making motivation a part of his daily routine. By incorporating these habits into his daily routine, Denzel Washington has been able to achieve incredible success in his career. He has won several prestigious awards for his acting skills, including 2 Academy Awards, 3 Golden Globe Awards, and a Tony Awards. His disciplined lifestyle, combined with his talent and hard work, has made him one of the most respected and successful actors in industry today. In summary, Denzel Washington is a great example of how making motivation a part of your daily routine can lead to success. His consistent approach toward life, his dedication to his craft, and his focus on mental and physical health are habits that can all learn from and apply to our own lives. In conclusion, incorporating motivation into your daily routine is essential for achieving success. By setting achievable goals, creating a schedule, and developing a strong work ethic, you can make motivation a habit that become a natural part of your daily routine. Follow the example of celebrities like Denzel Washington and take the first step towards success today. If you want to be happy all year long, all you need to do is just like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.